Hi, it's me again. The memory of DARROWBY show has stayed with me and it has left me with a deep respect and sympathy for the many veterinarians who have the thankless task of ADJUDICATING at these functions. People just don't like it when you have to tone their animals down. Of course, I have had many trouble-free occasions since then, and I sometimes think it was my youth and inexperience which made me such a target for disapproval. I didn't mention it in the story, but things got so bad on that day that I was glad to see the local police sergeant strolling round the field. I quite seriously thought that I would ultimately have to ask for police protection.